This egg sandwich hack is going to change your life. It is simple, easy, yet satisfying completely, and it is called the one pan egg toast. So if you're interested, let's dive right in. First up, I'll be using bacon as the meat for my sandwich. So I've gotten a few strips of bacon over here and I'm going to fry it. So prepare a skillet or frying pan and add in butter to your pan so that you can cook. And it's always best to use unsalted butter for this so that you start the day right. Add in those delicious looking strips of bacon. Let it cook for about a minute on each side so that you have a nice and crispy bacon. And the juiciness of bacon is just so satisfying to watch. Only you could smell how delicious it actually is. Now take a slice of bread and cut it into half. Now take 2 eggs and crack it into a bowl. Mix it. Now I know a lot of people like to season their eggs, but personally for me as a breakfast meal I do not like any seasoning to my egg. And when that is done, butter your skillet or your frying pan again. Add in the egg. The slice of bread in the egg and flip it over. So you want to make sure the bread actually faces each other so that it's nice when it's flipped. The edges are outside. Once the egg is cooked, flip it over. I hope this works. Yes! Flipping is the scariest part. Okay, so just bring the bread in, make sure all the egg that is hanging out is all flipped in so that you have a nice and neat egg sandwich. Now add in any meat that you want as much as possible. So adding in the bacon that I fried earlier, some Parmesan cheese, let it melt just a little bit, and then toast it up. And you see it looks like French toast from the outside with a beautiful bacon egg sandwich on the inside. And that is it. So this is the egg sandwich hack that is going to change your life. Oh, look at that. It took me less than 10 minutes to make. I'm obsessed with this. You have to try it. Thanks for watching, and if you love this recipe, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.